This is another episode of the Secret Guam podcast.
Kanatu ST official na podcast perigurupon independent Guahan.
When people talk about decolonization, they're like, oh, we're in the middle of a pandemic. Who cares about decolonization?
My generation of parents that are saying, hey, I don't know my language, but I want my kids to know my language.
Whatever they took away from us is gone.
So these are images that I'm sure you're familiar with, drawings of an ancient society.
Speak to your parents, write things down, record them.
Magellan's naming of our islands and calling us thieves and that whole discourse. Magellan started to just look like someone who visited a restaurant and didn't like the service.
Decolonization is critical. Political status is absolutely necessary.